How to get a general contractor license in Colorado. Colorado doesn't have a statewide general contractor license. You must apply through the city or county where you plan to work. Step 1. Register your business with the Colorado Secretary of State, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC. Step 2. Contact your local licensing authority. For example, Denver, Department of Community Planning and Development; Colorado Springs, Pikes Peak Regional Building Department; Boulder, Building Safety Division. Step 3. Pass the required ICC exams and show proof of experience. Many cities require several years in construction before approval. Step 4. Get insurance. General liability is required, and workers' compensation if you have employees. Step 5. Submit your application and fees, including business registration, insurance, and experience documents. License classes often include Class A, unlimited projects; Class B, commercial and residential; Class C, residential only. Remember, electricians and plumbers need state licenses, and if you work across cities, you'll need separate licenses for each.